Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy bones in Monster Hunter World. Sturdy bones are a vital resource for any hunter looking to upgrade their equipment and take on more challenging foes. You'll primarily encounter these valuable materials once you reach the high-rank portion of the game, which opens up after completing certain story quests. Getting these bones will significantly boost your hunter's power, allowing you to craft stronger weapons. The most reliable way to gather sturdy bones is by exploring high-rank expeditions. Head to areas like the Ancient Forest or the Wildspire Waste. Once there, keep an eye out for the large bone piles scattered across the map. These are different from the smaller, low-rank bone piles you might be used to. Each time you gather from one of these high-rank bone piles, you have a good chance of obtaining 1 or even 2 sturdy bones, so make sure to hit everyone you see. Next, you will need the Super Mario Galaxy game file itself. It is important to obtain this legally, typically by converting your own physical game disc into a digital ISO file using a Wii console with homebrew software. Once you have your game file, which is usually an ISO or WBFS format, transfer it to a clearly organized folder on your Android device for easy access within the emulator. To maximize your sturdy bone haul, consider equipping armor pieces or decorations that grant the geologist skill. This skill allows you to gather an extra item from each bone pile, significantly boosting your efficiency. Also, bringing a ghillie mantle can be incredibly useful, letting you gather undisturbed by aggressive monsters. Plan your expedition routes to hit several bone pile locations in quick succession. With these tips, you'll have a plentiful supply of sturdy bones in no time, ready for all your crafting needs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.